In the last two videos, we looked at basic and intermediate features of QuickLook and how to preview text, fonts, and movie files. In addition, we also looked at how QuickLook integrates with programs like iPhoto and Apple Mail. In this tutorial, we're going to take it a step further. We're going to add features to QuickLook using plugins, and by doing so, enable QuickLook to do things that it can't do right out of the box. So, let's get started. One of the small problems with QuickLook is that it doesn't operate on all file types, just most file types. And occasionally you might be using one that it doesn't really know how to refer to. For an example, take a look at the DCM or DICOM files. These are files that are commonly used in medical imaging and can be quite numerous in scientific and medical systems. Let's see if we can preview one. Select the image, hit spacebar, and we get generic Finder information again. QuickLook doesn't know how to look inside this file to give us a preview. Here's another example. Let's look at the zip files. Zip files are archive collections or archive files. They're compressed file collections ordinarily, and they're commonly found as attachments on emails and on file servers available for download. The issue here is that often they contain many items, and I would rather not have to decompress an entire 1 GB archive to find out that I'm looking in the wrong one. So it would be really great if I could use QuickLook to look inside first, verify that it has the files I'm interested in, and then decompress them. Let's give it a try. Well, as expected, I'm getting generic Finder information again, not really what I'm after. But fortunately, there's a plugin I can add to QuickLook to give it the ability to look inside zip archives so I can check the contents before I expand them. The next question is, how do you install QuickLook plugins? First, you need to download the plugins you want to install. There are a variety of sites for these. Decompress the zip archive if it's present, and locate a file, like this shown, that has a file extension .qlgenerator. The next step is to copy the QLGenerator file to the user's QuickLook folder in his library. Let's go and locate that directory. Home directory, library, QuickLook. Note the folder is empty. In fact, in many cases the folder isn't there at all and you'll need to create it. But since we have one, let's use it. Let's grab the QLGenerator file. That we want to install. Close the library directory. And now we have a choice. We can restart the Mac or restart the Finder and see if our new plugin works. Let's give it a try. Well, we're back again. Let's try out our new plugins and see if they work. First, let's take a look at the zip files. Select a zip archive. This time I'm going to use the QuickLook button in the window frame. Notice that it has the icon of an eye. We haven't talked about it yet, but it's there and it's quite useful. And there you go. I can look inside the zip archive and I can see the fonts and the subfolders that are contained inside. I can even operate the folders. Close them. Wow, that's a big improvement. Next, let's take a look at our medical images and see if we can sample them. Here's a collection. Select one. Spacebar. Wow, that is really cool. The plugin for the DICOM images really works. What a big improvement. Well, that's it for QuickLook plugins. We successfully added plugins for looking at DICOM images and zip archives. And there are many more out there for you to try. So if you want to look for some more plugins, try the sites listed in the show notes, or just do a search on the internet. I think you'll enjoy customizing QuickLook with some special features that complement the way you work.